In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock a GoDaddy domain step by step so you can make changes, transfer it, or manage your DNS settings without getting stuck. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, it can feel a little confusing. So I'll walk you through everything clearly, from signing in all the way to turning domain lock off safely. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and website tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, go to GoDaddy in your browser and sign in to the account that owns the domain you want to unlock. Make sure you're using the correct login, because if the domain is in a different account, you won't see it in your products list. Once you're signed in, look for My Products. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your domains, hosting plans, and other services in one place. Click My Products to continue. Now scroll to the domain section. You should see the domain you want to work with listed there. Next, click DNS for that domain. This takes you into the management area where you can view and edit important domain settings. After that, select your domain from the list if it isn't already open. Once your domain page loads, go into domain settings. This is where GoDaddy keeps the lock status, name server settings, and other advanced domain controls. Now look for the option called Domain Lock. Domain Lock is a security feature that helps prevent unauthorized transfers or changes to your domain. If the domain is locked, you'll need to turn it off before certain actions can be completed. To unlock it, toggle domain lock to OFF. GoDaddy may ask you to confirm your choice or verify your identity before making the change. If that happens, just follow the on-screen instructions carefully and complete the verification. Once the lock is turned off, your domain is unlocked and ready for the next step, whether that's transferring it to another registrar or updating your domain settings. Just remember, if you only need to make temporary changes, it's a good idea to turn the lock back on afterward for extra protection. And that's it. You've now learned how to unlock a GoDaddy domain in just a few steps. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.